Hello and welcome. I'm going to be doing a Dutch pour for you today. Now, I don't know how this is going to turn out. I am not using black or white, as you can see, for my base color. I'm just curious to see how it's going to turn out, so I figured might as well give it a shot. So it is covered right now with the Artist Loft Turquoise. I will be using the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White, Waverly Inspirations Tangerine, Artist Loft Deep Yellow, and I may throw in some Apple Barrel Bright Magenta. I haven't quite decided. This could turn out to be a muddy mess, but like I said, I was just really curious to see how it would turn out. Alright, so I'll do a little white first. I won't put the magenta in. Could be a huge mistake, but I really want to see how this is going to turn out. Yellow, and I'm going to put some more white in. And I really hope this doesn't turn to mud. But we'll have to see. I will give it a quick torch. Get some of the air bubbles out. I just mixed up this paint, so there's quite a bit of air bubbles. Alright, now I'm going to lay down some more turquoise. I went back and forth on whether or not to do the turquoise but then do white for the color to go around, but I'm doing turquoise. Alright. Oh, please don't turn the mud. Alright, I'm going to turn the blow dryer on, so it's probably going to be a little loud if you want to turn your volume down. Alright, before I start making mud, I'm going to pause you guys, and then I'm probably going to grab a straw and start blowing it out. Alright, I grabbed my straw. I'm probably going to try to blow a little bit more out this way. I just didn't want to do it anymore with the hairdryer since it was turning a little bit muddy. So let's see if I can do this without messing it up. Okay, that's not working how I wanted it to. I'm just gonna maybe on low. That ain't working. Let's see. Can I move it? I'm going to give it a quick torch. All in all, not bad. It turned out a lot better than what I thought it would. I might have to go again, because I do like it better than just the black or the white. Probably a little less white next time. But, ooh, I just realized how bad that lighting is. I'm sorry, guys. The sun's coming in. Let me pause you guys and get you done. Alright, here we are in the close-up. Loving this part over here. And up top here. I did start getting a little bit of green, as you see right there. So I had to stop. I didn't want any green in there, really. But yeah, I think this was a successful experiment. Once again, I apologize for the lighting, but I will see you guys again. Thanks for watching.